The 21st century people have seen a dramatic change in their lives. This is all possible due to a very small device which we all are dependent upon. That device is none other than our smartphones. Yes, our smartphones have become an integral part of our lives. And why do we say so? A very simple answer to it would be it has given us such an amazing opportunities and became an integral part because we can connect with our friends, we can set appointments, we can read news even, and most importantly, we do online shopping. Yes, all the things which we used to do with different mediums has become synchronized with a very small medium out there. According to a survey conducted in 2014 across the globe, Nigeria users were conducted to be the best people because they used to be online all day users for the internet and smartphone, whereas around 25% of South African users were all day online users. If we talk about hourly basis, then Nigerian people used to be 12%, whereas South African people used to be 25 to 26% hourly basis users. Yes, it is shocking, but that's the reality. Everyone out here at least check once a day their smartphones. And that's nothing wrong. We all are dependent. We all need to connect with our friends. We all need to check our status. We all need to do something or the other with our smartphones. And why do we do that? A very simple answer would be we all have forgotten our earlier mediums. Yes, we have forgotten that. And because of this, at the end of the results, we have faced lot of issues. Either it's a neck pain, shoulder pain, or any other. Our body ache is there. Due to this, we have high anxiety and low self-esteem. Whereas we can also see various cardiac rhythm disorders as well as various other disorders too. This all has been seen due to a very simple thing, addiction to the phone. This is because we have also forgotten that earlier these all mediums used to be very different. Now they have compressed to one single medium, that is our smartphones. And though we have become dependent upon it, do we really think we can easily get rid of it? The simple answer would be no. It is quite hard, but it's not impossible. But yes, one thing is for sure, if anything happens to our smartphone, we definitely get worried about it. Because it's not just a smartphone, it's the smartphone of our life. It's the most integral part of our lives. So what if your smartphone gets broken? What if your accessories have been lost? What if your smartphone doesn't give the value it should give? There are a lot of queries, there are a lot of questions related to our smartphones. And to answer them, we are here with you guys. If we look around the smartphone subscription around the globe, then we can easily calculate that China has been the leading one, whereas India comes at the second position. Whereas we can also see there are various countries who are still struggling to be the leaders, which are either Poland or Kenya. Yes, these countries are still struggling, but they have got a huge number out there. What is this? It is all the production out there and all the users who have been using their products. Around the globe, if we see the chart out there for Jan 2019, we will easily see that China has become the most popular one. Whereas if we talk about other countries, there has been a list and a great increment out there. Landscape came to a completely different way when Apple launched its first iPhone. At the same time, there was another user who thought to launch a very different variant, a competition for all the phones, and that was none other than our Android phones. Yes, over the decades, we have seen a various change in our smartphones. It's from type to touch or from small screen to a large screen. We have seen our smartphones evolutionary, as well as our need for the smartphones have also increased. This is the actual package what our market size has given to us. As the users demand, they have increased their production too. With the increase of smartphone users, the risk of its damage has also increased. Either it's a screen damage or its accessory loss, whether it's updation or its trade value. Everything has changed over the period of time. And to ease this problem, we have come up with an amazing solution. That is, Make My Screen. Yes, we aim to one thing. That is, one stop, all solution. All problems can be solved here because we provide you all the production and the protection out there. Whether it's trading in, your replacement guarantee, your finance, your all the problems, your screen damage or anything updation, everything is sorted out here. Since talking about damage, we're not just the damage, but there are many problems related to smartphones. Do you know where to trade up your phone? Any idea about its LCD display availability? Or do you have any idea whether its warranty period can be extended or not? Do you have some financial issue and you need to do a finance of your phone? There are many problems related to smartphones and thus we all need solution for them. So here we brings you a very amazing solution. It's none other than a simple solution which you all need to have. If we talk about smartphone revolution, then we can easily calculate that the smartphone production has been increased by 28% over the decades, whereas smartphone users production has been increased by 23% in all over USA.